speaking of your fandom, one of the questions that I actually wanted to ask you was about your love team, like your on-screen love team. What do you think exactly makes it work? And bakit nga ba magaling kayo mapakilig sa tao?
Hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Tsaka naglalagay ng mga background music sa amin. And then, hindi namin alam kung bakit na susupport na sa amin. Pero sobrang kaming thankful na nag-inspire namin sila and kinikilig sila sa amin dalawa. And maraming salamat din syempre na merong nabuong grupo na sumusuporta sa amin.
And to add to what Kim said, I think it's also yes, the constant effort on our part and maybe the willingness to collaborate with each other. Because I'll give an example. We did ASAP Milan last year, and no one knew about Inang, no one knew about Sec Kim or anything. And so parang lagi ko kausap si Kim, parang may performance tayo. Parang paano natin ipapakita sa audience para abangan nila yung game namin. And paglabas sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work, because I mean not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So I'm glad that I got to work with Kim, and she's very willing and open to collaborate and open for suggestions.